Oh yeah, you can see it has a magnetic tip. Very nice. Okay, and here I am using again a dot. Actually the dot is now fucked up. Okay, so hello everyone, my name is Nishat Kadam and today it is going to be a bit technical video. Actually the problem with my laptop was that it was heating too much, therefore I decided to do its servicing by myself. Actually I went to one of the laptop guys who repairs it or who does the servicing, but it cost approximately 500 or 600 to do so, and I didn't have that kind of money because I wanted to spend it on a rajdhani video. Rajdhani video as in I had to go to restaurant Rajdhani to try out their food or their unlimited thali. So I didn't have the money to spend on laptop servicing. So I decided to do it by myself. I watched some YouTube videos and I then found out that it was quite easy. So the equipments or the sahitya to do laptop servicing is as follows. So first of all we need screwdrivers. So you will find it in any hardware store. It is quite cheap. Adi, do you know the price of this particular screwdriver set? Our production value is quite low and we have not yet researched about anything. So yeah, you can go to any nearby hardware store and buy this screwdriver set. Second thing is you will need a laptop, obviously. And then this is the thermal paste that I have bought. This is for just rupees 30 and it will be enough for I guess one laptop. But the another variant of this paste was for rupees 70. There is a lot of quantity that you will find of thermal paste in this particular, in that 70 price range. Also there was a 50 rupees bottle of thermal paste, so you can also opt for those. And chalo, now let's get started. Start kariye please. So first of all we are going to remove the battery of this particular laptop. As we can see that the battery is now removed. Now it has been removed. Now I guess we'll be able to see the interior of this laptop. Jabardast. So as you can see, this particular thing is the RAM. I have two 2GB RAM chips, and this is the fan and the heat sink. आणि बाकीचे तुम्हाला गूगल करून सांगतो एक मिनिट. So now we are on to removing the heat sink of the laptop, and the actual CPU of this laptop is below this heat sink. So first of all we will have to clean the CPU and the heat sink for the thermal paste that was applied before, and then we'll be applying our new thermal paste to it. So now we are trying to remove it. I don't think it is going to be successful. Wait a minute. So yes guys, as you can see, this is our CPU and this is the fan. We are not going to clean fan today. We are just going to clean this particular portion, and here we have the heat sink. So we are going to clean the this part of the heat sink, and then we'll again attach it. Guys, as you can see, here we are trying to clean it with a piece of paper, and here we are using a brush to clean it. Okay. Okay guys, so as you can see, now we have cleaned the CPU. Maybe it is not professional cleaning, but we have tried to do our best, and we are even touching it. But we have cleaned it with a piece of paper, and the heat sink, that is this, we have also cleaned it. But I guess I have seen in a lot of YouTube videos that they use a certain type of alcohol to spray on it and clean it. We didn't experiment it with water or our saliva, but yeah, I think that this is pretty clean. Okay, so now I am applying the thermal paste. So here I am using the dot technique. There are to put a dot over here, it is quite chewat. Okay, I guess, and here I am using the X technique. बापरे मोठा आला. थांब. So after quite few attempts, we have found out the proper way to put the fan on. So now it's just the job of putting the screw backs, and then we will be ready to go. So how are you guys feeling, Adi? Ashutosh? Nothing? Okay.
राईटला फिरव आयडिया. अरे नाही ते आतमध्ये जायला पाहिजे ना. गेला आता ते आतमध्ये.
So I think the toughest part here is managing the screws, because they are quite tiny and can get misplaced very easily. And this screwdriver is quite nice. Actually, it has a magnetic tip. We are on to the final moment. This moment decides whether our DIY has worked or not. So yes, we are going to now start the laptop. So please press the button. Yes. Let's see. थांब एकदाच जाऊ दे. Still I have a smile on my face. Yes, there you guys. You can see that laptop has started working, and actually there has been a significant increase in the performance after I put SSD in it. So I'll recommend, if you don't have SSD, try to put one. It really helps with the speed and all the frustration. Yes, there guys, you can see our laptop has started working. And yes, so our DIY was successful. We have successfully changed the thermal paste in this particular laptop. I don't know whether it has yet solved the heating problem or not, but we have changed it, and we have shown you the process. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. If you like this video, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and share as much as you can, and take care. Please do watch Brahmastra, and
Peace.
Peace.